Hello, everyone. Sam is here from CreativeTradingSystems.com. I welcome you. This is my website, and this is the name of it, Creative Trading Systems. Now, what is this all about is the system. Well, everybody knows that the forex market or any other market, not the stock market, but mainly forex market, is open 24 hours from Sunday evening till Friday evening, right? And basically it's 24-hour running, but you cannot trade this market 24 hours. There are times when you have to stay outside, right? Low volume time when the sessions are either slow session or no session open. For example, we have 3 sessions, right? US session, and European session and London session, and basically London and European session is the same thing. But and the Asian session, right? The Asian session is the slowest. The London session is the fastest, the momentous one. Similarly, you have to have a system. If you do trading with the calculation and all that and the information that what is happening in the world, then you can call it a trading business. Otherwise, if you are just trading as like on a guess basis that okay, so you heard something that this thing, it looks like that it's going to go up or it's going up, it's starting to go up, then I'll buy. If something is dropping, I'll sell. That's gambling. So we don't want to do gambling. You can always lose. But the trading, and for that you must learn a little bit. And also the most important thing is that you have to have a system to make the proper entry. If you don't have the system, it's a disaster. And human emotion, they always get involved in the business and destroy the trader account. So a system means that you leave the human emotion outside and act as a robot. Simple as that. That you have certain conditions. If they are met, you open the trade, you put your sell on certain level, and your target is so and so, and that's it. No matter what, you follow the rules, right? So that's something like that. I have here. I made I have like 14 years of experience, and then after all of that, I've been using this system for the last 5-6 years profitably. And this is I used to call it Magic IB system, but now I call it Creative Trading System. Right? I don't like the word magic anymore. So anyway, so this system requires like 4 conditions, and if they are met, I open the trade and I put my SL is always 25 pips, right? And that's how. Let me show you few trades that happened last week, for example. Some of them, I'm not going to show all of those trades, like GJ, right? Pound yen. This is the system that yellow is above the black. This indicates all the way down, going to the upside, and the price is there. It's like inside the wave and then coming out with the blue candles. Red candles turning into blue, and then price must be making higher low, means it's this low is higher than the previous swing low, right? So this is the low, then again the price went up, this is the low, it's higher, this indicator is turning to the upside, and then blue candles, I open the trade right there. Now every other trade you will see exactly the same way. For example, this is the one, pound USD for 140 pip. But you see this was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry. I had this entry which got knocked out at break even. Then I took this one and 140 pip. 140 pip straight away, right? But it's by the book. Yellow is above the black. This indicates all the way down, coming up. So this is a system. Now, this system is also have few other things like my SNR level. I have to be aware of that. I have to be aware of the news, what's happening out there, what kind of news is scheduled for pound or for USD if I'm going to trade pound USD, as well as the weekly chart, the monthly chart. So what I do basically is that for my subscribers, I do webinars. Let me show you a few more trades exactly the same way, then I'll explain. So this is the USD yen to the downside. Again, yellow is below the black, indicator this, and everything by the book, 130 pips. And this one, again, USD yen, the same way. The first trade was closed here, and then little wobble, and then again, second entry. This was an entry as well, right? So this is how the system gives you multiple entries in multiple pairs every single day, 4 or 5 trades. Having 4 or 5 trades is not a problem. And the big one, I'll explain you why you have big trades like this. So now the system, and it also has the weekly, like this one, US oil on the 25th, last Friday, and today on the 20th. See, US oil, beautiful entry here. This was an entry, this was an entry, but I was in here, so 275 pips on this one, right? So these are the things. Now, not only that I have this and I do webinar and I teach this there and I explain and I do the analysis in front of everyone, but also I place these page and heads up on my Telegram. I have a Telegram channel for my subscribers, right? So this is like all of these. Today, for example, 20th November 20th, I posted the US dollar chart that is going to go up. First, I predict that it's going to go up, then down, then up now, right? And then you see making a long, AU, Aussie USD making a short, gold making a long, all of that, right? And then this is the one, don't forget the oil, look for long, and this is the one I took long all the way for 275 pips. So this Telegram channel is a very big tool for my subscribers. If you subscribe, you will be a part of this Telegram group, and you will be seeing this in your cell phone. Plus, I do a couple of webinars a week, Wednesday 4 p.m. and Sunday 4 p.m., right? Where I not only do the analysis and tell you the trades going to happen or the direction in different pairs for the next couple of days. For example, Sunday, I do the webinar for Monday and Tuesday, and then Wednesday comes, we do a webinar again, and I explain that, okay, what has happened already in the last 2 days and what is going to happen Thursday and Friday, Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, and then what to look for, right? Not only that, but also I have this alarm, I call it CTS alarm. This alarm beeps when the conditions are met for the setup. So I give you that as well, and you have it on your chart all the time. And not only that, I post this Telegram here on my entries, on my heads up, right? But you also can see on your computer because of this CTS alarm. It will beep when the setup is ready. And not only that, you will constantly learning different things. So let me see if I can go back here and show you that this is monthly subscription and what you're gonna get when you subscribe monthly. This is the video. You can watch this video as well. But these are the things. What you're gonna get is that all the indicators required for the system, Creative Trading Systems template, monthly and weekly charts and templates of the pairs and indexes, instruction videos, access to all previous webinar recordings. I record all the webinars, and they are in a place where all my subscribers have the access. You can go there, tons of information there. For years and years, I'm recording those, and they're all there, right? And CTS alarm, expert advisor. You're gonna get all of these, and you're gonna set up your charts, and then live webinars where you learn these things: how to identify do the technical analysis, monthly, weekly, daily charts, how to draw channel line properly, how to do channels, Fibonacci tool, how to use it properly, how to identify SNL levels, right? Every single thing, A to Z, harmonic patterns, Gertley, butterfly, bat, crab, all of that. And then Elliott wave structure, how to identify Elliott wave, how to count them, and how to trade them using my system, right? So creative IB system and how to take the entries using CTS alarm 3EA. So you're gonna learn all of that in my webinars, little by little. Now, if you want to learn fast and you want to learn perfectly alone with me, then I have this one-on-one coaching course here where I teach over the Zoom And this course is like 10-hour course, 1 hour each session on your time, your day, and your time. You tell me that you are free on that day and this time, and if I am available at that time, then I'll do the session and teach you every single thing from A to Z, including the Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, SNR level, to trend lines, and every single thing. How to use the news to trade properly, right? So you're gonna learn all of that in this one-on-one coaching here. So you can come in here on this page and you can watch this video and then learn every single thing about that course. And you're gonna learn about this. This is harmonic patterns, right? And you're gonna learn all of that. This is Elliott wave, how to count them, what are these things, and that makes life very easy. For example, let me quickly show you something that if I can maybe there. Let me see. For example, Elliott wave, if I want to show you the Elliott wave of Euro USD, which I had earlier last week. This is the chart, right? So this is like wave 1, 2, 3, ABC 4. And this is what I was expecting, that after wave 4 comes wave 5. This is one of my diagram, right? So I made this chart here, placed this diagram here, and I provided to my subscriber and told them to look for Euro USD long. And you can see here on the Telegram, probably, you see, okay, watch EU about to make a long, right? And this is later on, I posted the chart, Euro USD 20-minute. This is for 70 pips, right? So what happened to this chart? What happened to this chart is this. Let me show you. Elliott wave after, Elliott wave butterfly, Elliott wave after. Okay. This is what happened. You see that? Exactly, it went exactly where I was pointing. From here to here for wave 5 ending. So learning all of that gives you a power, right? An edge over trading in any other way. So you will know exactly what to do and how to use, especially with this system that I have, which we use like a brick size and 20-minute chart. I'll provide every single thing and I teach you. Don't worry about that. So once you sign up, either monthly or yearly or one-on-one, you will get every single thing, all the indicators, all the ES required for the system, and the instruction videos. And of course, one-on-one is that I'm going to be myself teaching you, right? But monthly subscription, yeah, of course, you attend the webinar and you can ask me questions. If you don't understand anything, you can ask, and then I briefly explain all of that. Okay, so this is what the a monthly subscription and one-on-one coaching is all about under the umbrella of creative trading system. So this is all about the system and the subscription or the membership of my website. Okay, and for me, about me, that I've been trading this like since 2007, I guess. I started doing that, and I didn't know anything. Like, what the heck is Elliott wave? When I heard this Gertle pattern, what is Gertle? Then I start learning and losing a lot. As time went by, I became expert. Okay, so like I said, let me quickly, last thing is that I'm going to show you all the trades I took the using this system last week. Okay, last week is here, which I think you saw it already. But see, this is pound Aussie for 85 pip, pound Aussie again for 55 pip, pound yen 20 pip, 75 pip, USD CAD 70 pip, USD Euro USD 50 pip, pound yen 120 pip trade, right? And I'll teach you exactly how to hold these trades for this many pippage. This has to do with the daily range. So once you subscribe, I'll teach you exactly. And then you'll be able to do that. You know, you're not supposed to close trades at 25, 30 pip, okay? And then look, USD yen, 130 pip from here to here. Euro USD 70 pip, right? All of these. So trade after trade after trade. And if you go on my website, the monthly subscription, under that, you will see, look, years of years. I don't know, my son probably have removed some of those, but you know, I've been posting these trades every single day. You have these trades every single day. You have these entries, exact same entries, same scenario, same setup, over and over again and again. All you got to do is that, you know, have your chart ready, put the alarm on, and wait for the beep. When the beep is there, you pull the trigger. That's it. Okay, you see that? Same scenario, same setup. This was an entry. This was an entry. This was an entry. Here, this was an entry. This was this. You know, all of that. Long entry here, here, here. So you have charts and charts for months and months here. Okay. So you can come here and study. And like I said, that you also get access to all of my previous webinar recording. For now, right now, if you go, you need a password. Once you subscribe, you get the password, and you will be able to go. And then here you can see my current trades, and here the last week trades. Okay, so I'll post the current week trades. Right now is empty. I had 2 trades only today, and I'll be posting. I have few entries going on right now. Okay, so this is it, and I hope to see you in my webinars, and maybe you want to join one-on-one, and we will be talking over Zoom very soon. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys hopefully in my webinar.